These modern kitchen gadgets are flying off Amazon this month. They make cooking faster, prep easier, and your kitchen smarter. But wait for number 9. This clever gadget is seriously next level. Start your mornings smarter with the 3-in-1 multifunctional breakfast machine. This compact appliance combines a mini oven, coffee maker, and griddle in one space-saving design, letting you prepare toast, eggs, and fresh coffee all at the same time. Perfect for apartments, dorms, or busy kitchens, it makes breakfast quick, convenient, and delicious every day. Shred meat in seconds with the electric chicken shredder. This USB rechargeable cordless tool features 2 timer modes to quickly shred chicken, beef, or pork for tacos, salads, sandwiches, and more. Fast, effortless, and perfect for home cooking. It saves time while delivering perfectly shredded meat every time. Get yours today for just $50. Cook healthier, crispier meals with the Cosori Air Fryer Pro LE5 Quart. This versatile 9-in-1 air fryer features 7 one-touch presets, a durable ceramic-coated basket, and temperatures up to 450 degrees for fast, even cooking with up to 85% less oil. Complete with a shake reminder, keep warm function, and over 130 chef-inspired recipes, it's the perfect kitchen companion for delicious everyday meals. Wake up to the rich aroma of freshly brewed coffee with the Amazon Grind Brew Coffee Maker. Featuring a built-in grinder, 3 grind settings, and a 24-hour programmable timer, it grinds whole beans and brews up to 5 cups with ease. Perfect for home or office, it delivers fresh, flavorful coffee exactly when you want it. Brew every cup to perfection with the Messity electric tea kettle. Featuring 9 preset brewing programs, precise temperature control, and a removable tea infuser, it's perfect for tea lovers of every kind. The durable 1.7-liter borosilicate glass design keeps tea warm for up to 2 hours, while the powerful 1,200-watt heating system delivers fast, flavorful brewing with ease. Grate cheese effortlessly with this rotary hand-crank cheese grater. Featuring 2 stainless steel drums and a comfortable handheld handle, it quickly shreds hard cheese, Parmesan, chocolate, nuts, and more. Made from BPA-free materials and dishwasher-safe for easy cleanup, this compact kitchen gadget delivers fast, consistent results without the hassle of traditional grating. Make fresh homemade tortillas with ease using the Alpha Living 8-inch cast iron tortilla press. Built from heavy-duty cast iron, it's perfect for pressing tortillas, quesadillas, empanadas, and more. Durable, easy to use, and ideal for every home kitchen. Bring authentic flavors to your table for just $18. Craft bar-quality drinks at home with the Barcease 360 Cocktail Maker. This smart cocktail machine mixes cocktails, margaritas, and mocktails with precision at the touch of a button. Its sleek black design, intelligent drink customization, and effortless operation make it the perfect home bartender for parties, entertaining guests, or enjoying your favorite drinks anytime. Make egg preparation easier with this versatile egg white separator and beater. Designed to quickly separate egg whites from yolks, it also provides convenient beating and storage in one compact kitchen gadget. Made from food-grade materials, it's perfect for baking, cooking, and meal prep, helping you work cleaner, faster, and with less mess. Keep your knives razor-sharp with the Presto Professional Eversharp electric knife sharpener. Its advanced 2-stage sharpening system quickly restores dull blades and hones a precision edge for long-lasting performance. Fast, easy to use, and suitable for most non-serrated kitchen and sport knives, it helps make food preparation safer, smoother, and more efficient every time. Slice and dice hard-boiled eggs with ease using the KITCHENDO replaceable egg slicer. Featuring durable stainless steel cutting wires, dual direction cutting, and a sturdy non-slip base, it creates neat, uniform slices or dices in seconds. The comfortable handle makes prep effortless, while its dishwasher-safe design ensures quick and easy cleanup, perfect for salads, sandwiches, and snacks. Create delicious, golden Belgian waffles with the Krups 4-slice Belgian waffle maker. Featuring 5 adjustable browning levels, a ready-to-cook beep, and powerful 1,200-watt performance, it delivers perfect results every time. The removable non-stick plates make cleanup easy, while the family-sized design lets you cook 4 waffles at once, perfect for busy mornings and weekend breakfasts. Upgrade your kitchen with the N21NA Pro 8-in-1 multi-cooker. Its spacious 10-quart capacity lets you slow cook, steam, grill, and more in one appliance. Featuring a PFOA-free ceramic coating plus a grill pan and steaming plate, it's perfect for making delicious family meals with ease. Make pancake mornings easier with the Whisk-Square Pancake Batter Mixer. The built-in blender ball wire whisk quickly blends smooth, lump-free batter with no extra bowls or mess. Simply mix, pour, and store in the same container for maximum convenience. Perfect for pancakes, waffles, muffins, and more, it's a must-have kitchen tool for fast, easy, and delicious homemade breakfasts. Slice and shred in seconds with the Presto Salad Shooter electric slicer/shredder. From cheese and vegetables to fruits and nuts, it makes meal prep quick, easy, and mess-free. Just point and shoot ingredients exactly where you need them. Save time in the kitchen and get yours today for just $46. Grind with precision using the Secura electric coffee spice grinder. Featuring 2 removable stainless steel bowls and dedicated blades for coffee beans and spices, it delivers fresh flavor in seconds. Easy to use, easy to clean, and perfect for every kitchen. Upgrade your daily routine for just $40. Cook with precision anywhere using the SMEG 1800W portable induction cooker. Featuring 9 power levels, a boost mode, intuitive touch controls, and a temperature probe, it delivers fast, efficient cooking in a compact design. Perfect for RVs, travel, small kitchens, or as an extra burner, it combines premium performance with SMEG's signature style. Keep your salads fresh and crisp with the 5.3-quart stainless steel salad spinner. Featuring a durable BPA-free design, transparent lid, drainage hole, and easy stop button, it quickly washes and dries lettuce, fruits, and vegetables. The non-slip base keeps it stable during use, while the dishwasher-safe construction makes cleanup simple and convenient for everyday kitchen prep. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the 2-slice Smart Touchscreen Toaster. Featuring a sleek retro design, extra-wide slots, and an intuitive digital touchscreen, it makes toasting effortless. Choose from 6 browning levels, use bagel or defrost modes, and save your favorite settings with the memory function. Finished with a removable crumb tray for easy cleanup, it's the perfect blend of style and smart convenience. Make food prep and entertaining effortless with the Farberware Bamboo Build-A-Board. This 11 by 14-inch cutting and serving board features a clear locking lid and 6 convenient compartments for organizing snacks, cheeses, fruits, meats, and more. Crafted from beautiful bamboo, it works as a practical cutting board, snack tray, or charcuterie platter. Stylish, versatile, and perfect for everyday meals or entertaining guests. Open stubborn jars effortlessly with this electric jar opener. Designed for hands-free operation, it automatically grips and twists tightly sealed lids with minimal effort. Perfect for new or hard-to-open jars, this compact kitchen gadget makes everyday food preparation easier and more convenient. Its simple operation and clean white design make it a practical addition to any kitchen. Organize your kitchen in style with the 5-tier kitchen fruit vegetable storage cart. Featuring 5 spacious rotating baskets, this versatile storage rack keeps fruits, vegetables, snacks, spices, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to access. The sturdy floor-standing design and smooth rolling wheels make it simple to move wherever you need extra storage. Perfect for kitchens, pantries, and dining areas, all for just $66. Add elegance and versatility to your kitchen with the Crystal Brew 2-liter clear glass simmer pot. Made from heat-resistant borosilicate glass, it features a convenient lid, built-in strainer, and anti-scald handles for comfortable handling. Perfect for simmering potpourri, creating inviting home fragrances, or preparing foods on the stovetop. Its clear design lets you easily monitor everything as it cooks. Make breakfast easier with the 3-in-1 breakfast station. This compact cooking station features a non-stick frying pan, a boiling pot, and a mini toaster, so you can prepare eggs, toast, sandwiches, and more all at once. Perfect for small kitchens, apartments, dorms, or RVs, it saves space while delivering quick, convenient, and delicious meals every morning. Brew cafe-quality coffee at home with the Bonavita 8-cup drip coffee maker. SCA certified for exceptional brewing performance. It delivers rich, balanced flavor with simple one-touch operation. The stainless steel double-wall thermal carafe keeps coffee hot for hours, while the auto-pause feature lets you pour a cup mid-brew. With dishwasher-safe components, cleanup is quick and effortless. Cook more with less effort using the NewWave Brio 15.5-quart air fryer rotisserie oven. Its spacious capacity and adjustable temperature range from 50 to 425 degrees let you air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, and rotisserie with precision. Enjoy crispy, delicious meals using less oil, while the versatile design makes it perfect for family dinners, snacks, and everyday cooking. Enjoy fresh, healthy drinks every day with this 4-in-1 cold press juicer. Featuring a 6.5-inch extra-large chute and a powerful AC motor, it juices whole fruits and vegetables with ease. Make fresh juice, nut milk, and sorbet, all with easy cleanup and a spacious 120-ounce capacity. Get yours today for just $80. Make breakfast in minutes with the Dash Round Express electric breakfast maker. Perfect for pancakes, eggs, and more, it heats up quickly and features a non-stick surface for effortless cooking and easy cleanup. Compact, fast, and ideal for busy mornings. Upgrade your breakfast routine today for just $30. Cook 2 meals at once with the Empsism 12-quart dual-zone air fryer. Use it as one spacious 12-quart megazone, or split it into 2 independent 6-quart baskets with separate cooking presets. Featuring 8 versatile cooking functions, an intuitive LED touchscreen, and a non-stick dishwasher-safe basket, it makes family meals faster, easier, and healthier with delicious crispy results every time. Make food prep faster with this electric cheese grater and rotary slicer. Featuring simple one-touch control and 6 interchangeable stainless steel blades, it effortlessly shreds cheese, slices vegetables, and grinds nuts in seconds. Its compact design is perfect for everyday kitchen use, helping you prepare ingredients quickly and consistently while saving time and reducing manual effort. Turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost with the electric kitchen composter. This 4L indoor composting machine features odor-free operation, dual carbon filters, an upgraded brushless motor, auto-clean function, and a smart LED display. Reduce food waste effortlessly while keeping your kitchen fresh and clean. Go green from your countertop for just $221. Prep ingredients in seconds with the KitchenAid 5-cup food chopper. Its compact design packs powerful performance for chopping, mixing, and pureeing everything from vegetables to sauces. Featuring a spacious 5-cup bowl, simple one-touch controls, and a sleek matte black finish, it's the perfect everyday kitchen companion for fast, effortless meal preparation. Bring the fun of dessert night home with the Lushium electric chocolate fondue pot set. Melt chocolate or cheese to perfection with its 4-cup capacity, complete with serving trays, forks, and a spatula for easy dipping. Perfect for couples, family gatherings, date nights, and holiday celebrations. Create delicious memories for just $35. Make perfectly shaped meatballs in seconds with the stainless steel triple meatball maker. Its innovative design forms 3 uniform meatballs at once, saving time and reducing mess in the kitchen. Crafted from durable stainless steel, it's easy to use, simple to clean, and perfect for meatballs, fish balls, and other homemade recipes for family meals or entertaining guests. Prep ingredients like a pro with the Mogan 8-in-1 electric vegetable cutter. Powered by a 100-watt motor and equipped with sharp stainless steel blades, it quickly dices, slices, and chops vegetables and fruits with precision. Perfect for onions, potatoes, cabbage, and more, this versatile food processor saves time, reduces prep work, and makes cooking faster, easier, and more enjoyable. Make delicious homemade waffles with the Amazon Basics 2-slice waffle maker. Its 700-watt design delivers evenly cooked, golden waffles with a crisp outside and fluffy center. The non-stick cooking plates make releasing waffles and cleanup quick and easy, while the compact design fits neatly on any countertop. Perfect for breakfast, brunch, and family treats anytime. Make everyday food prep quick and effortless with this portable cordless electric garlic chopper. Featuring a 400 milliliter capacity and 6 sharp stainless steel blades, it easily chops garlic, onions, vegetables, fruits, and more. The rechargeable cordless design offers convenient use anywhere, while its compact size makes it perfect for salads, baby food, sauces, and everyday meal preparation. Cook perfect rice every time with the Rice Robot Rice Cooker. It prepares up to 8 cups of fluffy rice, features a PFAS-free ceramic non-stick pot, and includes a stainless steel steamer tray for healthy veggies and more. Fast, convenient, and perfect for family meals. Enjoy entertainment while you cook with the Silvox 15.6-inch Kitchen Smart TV. This space-saving under-cabinet TV delivers crisp Full HD 1080p picture quality and features built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and an app store for your favorite streaming services. Perfect for kitchens, RVs, campers, bedrooms, or boats, it brings smart entertainment wherever you need it. Organize your kitchen effortlessly with this 10-inch bamboo turntable Lazy Susan. Featuring 2 spacious tiers and a smooth 360-degree rotating design, it keeps spices, sauces, jars, and pantry essentials neatly arranged and easy to reach. Crafted from durable bamboo, its space-saving design fits perfectly in cabinets or on countertops, helping you maximize storage while keeping everything within easy access. Enjoy a perfect cup of loose-leaf tea with this tea infuser. Its fine mesh design keeps even small tea leaves contained while allowing full flavor to steep into every cup. Easy to fill, remove, and clean, it's ideal for brewing your favorite black, green, herbal, or fruit teas, making every tea break simple, flavorful, and enjoyable. Enjoy fresh citrus juice with zero effort using the Vinci hands-free electric citrus juicer. Just press one button and let it squeeze oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits automatically. Its powerful, mess-free design is easy to clean and perfect for everyday use. Bring cafe-quality juice to your kitchen for just $120. Keep your refrigerator organized with the Utopia roll-down egg dispenser. Its space-saving rolling design automatically brings the next egg forward, making it easy to grab an egg without searching through the fridge. Perfect for keeping eggs neatly arranged and accessible, this smart organizer helps maximize refrigerator space while adding convenience to your everyday kitchen routine. Keep your kitchen blades sharp and ready with the Sharpel 191H knife and scissors sharpener. Designed to repair, restore, and sharpen straight and serrated kitchen knives, this versatile tool also works with scissors and other blades. Its easy-to-use design helps bring dull edges back to life quickly and efficiently. Compact, practical, and perfect for home cooks, it's a must-have tool for everyday kitchen maintenance. Keep your essentials perfectly chilled with the Frigidaire Mini Personal Fridge Cooler. With up to 10 liters of storage space, it can hold around 15 cans, while its rugged brushed black stainless design adds a stylish touch. Compact and portable, it's perfect for skincare, makeup, drinks, or snacks in your car, office, bedroom, dorm room, or cabin.